Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the capability. Open the Google app and update it if needed. Once done, tap Settings and find Lens or Assistant features, then enable Circle to Search or Screen Search. Make sure you grant camera, microphone, and screen capture permissions when prompted so the feature can analyze what's on display. You're doing this now to avoid interruptions later. This immediate setup is required because without the permissions, the circle capture won't work on your Galaxy. Once enabled, practice the activation. Open the content you want to search and launch Assistant or Lens via the gesture or long press Home key. The method varies by setup, so use the Assistant trigger you configured. Then, with your finger, trace a circle precisely around the object or text on screen. Keep your finger steady to include the full target. The tool will auto-capture the circled region and run analysis. Let it finish so you get accurate results and suggestions. When the analysis completes, review results and tap the relevant actions like Translate, Shop, or Open Link. If results look wrong, recapture the area with a tighter circle or better lighting. Blurred or partial captures produce poor matches. If Circle to Search won't start, make sure app and system permissions remain enabled. Confirm Google app is up to date. Then restart the phone. That single restart often clears permission or service glitches and restores the feature quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.